most of the suspension components, and including the subframes. You can see that they have provided black powder coated rear trailing arms that have been reinforced. So we have to rebuild these with new bushings, actually the bushings have already been pressed on for us, but we got new bearing, new dust shield, e-brake parts, everything else is going to be brand new. Everything's been beefed up from the sway bar mounting locations. You can see that the pole has been added here. So these are really, really good quality. That actually is complemented pretty nicely with the rear subframe, which is right here, which has also been beefed up. And it has the eccentric bushing, the eccentric hardware, which is new that Garagistic had recently come out with, as opposed to their click style with the razors. So this guy here is actually like an OEM style type of adjustment, which is pretty cool. Front subframe has been updated and also beefed up by Garagistic as well. And one really important thing to note for M3s is that you gotta have lower control arms that are aluminum. That's the only way to go with this. It's OEM, and it's also, you know, look how light these things are. I mean, it's unbelievable how much lighter they are. So it's really gonna add a really nice sporty feel to the M3. We got floor mats here.
E46 floor mats, the E30 M3 floor mats were NLA. I couldn't find them. I tried everything. And
but these are E46 M3.
They fit in the
okay. So you got the M emblem on there.
Yep.
Still? Okay.
Red seat belts.
New seat belts. Yep, brand new seat belts. So the seat belts, let me ask you, do the seat belts come with the tensioner and everything like that? Yes. Or cool. All right, great. We got sway bars front and rear. These look like upgraded sway bars.
Yes. 22.
Are these suspension techniques? What are these?
Garagistic.
Garagistic sway bars? Okay. Cool. What's this?
I think this is the...
looks like the hardware for the sway bars,
so
the links and stuff?
Piece somewhere around here. I haven't opened this box in like 2 years.
That's okay. Yes, so the coilovers are here. Got our shocks. Got our shock mounts. I mean, where are the actual coilovers? Are they under here?
Yes.
Yeah, there they are.
Those are in the box itself.
Yep. Yeah, they are. Oh, there they are. There are your springs. Those are rear springs, I think. So, very cool. Let's move on. We got a couple more boxes here. This is a box of a lot of miscellaneous parts, cowlings and shields. I think that this guy is for the front.
Oil cooler.
Yeah,
yes.
The front oil cooler pass. And this is something that only like true enthusiasts would really appreciate. Like some of these custom molded parts that came that are just like incredibly expensive and rare to find. So very cool. And then some for some of you guys who like to see the fun stuff. This is a E30 M3 Stromung exhaust. Dual 2 1/4 looks like. Dual 2 1/4 out. Fully stainless steel. Full bolt onto the M3. These are the ground control upper spring perches that have adjustment for camber. So you can, I mean, I'm telling you, like when we do an alignment on this thing, it's going to be full tune alignment. We can do camber caster on the front. We can do in tow, obviously. You know, we have other cool things here, like brake dust shields. We've got wiper reservoir. We have a couple shocks, some front cowling for the windshield wipers. We have a new reservoir for coolant.
All for the engine bay.
Yep, all engine bay stuff. This engine bay is gonna look so nice.
Grill.
Euro BMW OEM Euro grills with the foams on them too. Whoa, 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 what is this? $100 wine voucher? Oh my God. Dude, I've collected enough of these things in my time that I can probably buy the whole damn place. Now that we've established all the parts that we have and need, and there will be more, trust me, we need to start doing the disassembly of the front end. Swapping those wheels too with the E24 back there, because those BBS wheels are gonna end up getting installed on the E24 LT1. So you guys wanna tune into that episode right up there and take a look and see how that playlist is coming along as well. But for now, let's just start disassembling everything on the front end.